Are you ready for a journey to one of India's most magnificent and diverse states, Karnataka? Here, mountains meet temples, waterfalls roar like thunder, and every stone tells a story. In this video, we'll take you to 10 unforgettable places, destinations that will not only amaze you but touch your soul. Askai, Hindaliki, Hampi, where stones speak. Ancient temples, majestic ruins. In Hampi, every corner echoes the glory of a lost empire. It's not just a place to see, it's a place to feel. Here, time stands still and history comes alive. Mysore Palace, a royal dream. Gold and domes, intricate carvings, and regal charm. Lit up at night, the Mysore Palace glows like a dream from a different world. Every year during Dussehra, this palace becomes the heart of a celebration like no other. Here, royalty is not just remembered, it's experienced. Choreographed in rain and silence. Cool breeze, misty hills, and the richer aroma of coffee. Choreog welcomes you with calm and serenity. The sound of waterfalls, the freshness in the air. Every moment here feels like a gentle pause from the world. Gokana where the sea meets the soul. Quiet beaches, sacred temples, and a spiritual calm. The sound of waves blends with the chants of Shiva. Gokana is not just a destination. It's a peaceful state of mind, where nature and devotion live in harmony. Bangalore city that breathes life. Modern, lively, rooted in tradition. Bangalore is where gardens bloom beside tech parks. Mornings filled with flowers, evenings alive with flavors. It's not just a city, it's a rhythm, a lifestyle. Shiv, a Ganga sacred climb. A act filled with faith. Step by step, you rise not just in altitude but in spirit. At the top, the view is vast and the silence divine. Shiva Ganj is a journey within, not just above. Baromi, a whole and padded Akal temples carved in time. Carved in stone, built by hand. These temples are not just structures, they're living legends. Every sculpture tells a story. Every pillar sings of the past. This is not architecture. This is soul in stone. Nondi hails a sunrise above the clouds. In the early hours of dawn, as mist covers the roads and the sky begins to glow. Nondi Hills welcomes a new day like poetry in the sky. Above the clouds, you find peace and new beginnings. Udupi, where devotion is delicious. The sound of temple bells, the light of prayer lamps, and the joy of a traditional South Indian meal. Udupi brings you faith and flavor on the same plate. Here, simplicity becomes sacred. Jog falls nature's roar. From towering cliffs, the water crashes down with might and music. Jog falls isn't just seen, it's felt. A waterfall so powerful, it shakes the ground beneath and stirs the heart within. It's Karnataka's voice in full volume. Karnataka isn't just a state. It's a story, a feeling, a journey of beauty, culture and soul. If this journey touched your heart, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beautiful explorations across India. Let's keep traveling every screen, every story and every soul.